So mixed media is actually a whole group of types of art, mainly three different kinds. So I'm going to explain all three kinds, and any one of those would count as mixed media. First, and the most common, is a collage, and you've probably done them. You've probably done them with me if I was your art teacher before. Collages are always two-dimensional. Okay? They're always flat, but they tend to have a lot of different variety within them. So it might include photographs, newspaper clippings, wallpaper, coloring book pages, wrapping paper, a whole bunch of things. Anything that is flat that gets cut out and glued together would count as a collage. A photo montage is a lot like a collage, but it's much more specific because it only has photographs. It's also two-dimensional, and these photographs can be like originals. They could be from magazines. They can be printed, like just from the printer, copies of the same photograph, but it's only photos. So for that, you might have a photograph of a landscape and then a photograph of a person that you cut out and put in it, but it has to be photographs for a photo montage. And then the last category is an assemblage, which is really just French for assembling things, putting things together. Collage happens to be French for gluing them together. But an assemblage is when you choose three-dimensional objects, so they're not flat, and you put them together to make something new. It's not just taking a pen and making it a pen, but the pen can become a mustache. In the example here, you see like a mop can become hair. So there has to be three-dimensional objects, and they have to kind of work together to transform into some other image. Okay, so assemblage, photo montage, and collage are the three categories that we are going to work within for your mixed media project.